What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna work on my 2000 Silverado. Fog lights look like hammered shit. I got some LED lights like this. I'm gonna use as the bulbs, and some of this screen goes over a big fluorescent light. I don't know how tough it'll be. Maybe it'll last. Hell yeah, let's see what we can do. I guess first I'm gonna take them out, clean all this bullshit out, kind of see how hard it'll be. I think it'll be pretty straightforward. Like they're just maybe two 10mm bolts. Hook this where the light bulb goes. That'll be it. I'll have her out in just a second. Alright, I got this one out. I guess I'll give her a good clean up and we'll go from there and see what we're doing. It's pretty simple. So it looks like simplest, easiest way would be drill this out. See how these lights come with this little grommet here? Pop her in through the front. I think that'd be the way to go. Alright, got her drilled out with a step bit. See if we can get them in there. Right in there. Check that out. I don't know about this diffuser. I don't know if it's a help or hurt. It's neat. If y'all can see in there, it's like a factory job. Oh yeah. Now, so what I'm gonna do here is just lay it over it, trace it, take a little Dremel and cut around it. Because you can't ride on the textured side. That's that level's fit both sides or neither side. Oh, let's see. Alright, got this little Dremel with a cutoff wheel. Gonna whittle it right out. Kind of slow, but the easiest, best way. Well, I got them in there. Glued my lenses on and wired them up to the plug. Check them out. They probably wouldn't fly at SEMA, but hell, they do pretty good. A hell of a lot better than what it was. I sure appreciate y'all's time. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.